So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Autoshazam on Android. Stick around and watch this video until the end and let's get started. So if you're a fan of phone tech tips, tricks, please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So just make sure you have your Shazam application downloaded from Google Play Store and let's proceed with the video. So stick around and don't miss any part. So you see the application is right there. So tap on it and select it. So then you will see Autoshazam, then Shazam now. So we want Autoshazam. So just tap on Autoshazam. So when you tap on Autoshazam, it directs you to this. So what you got to do is just tap the S icon, this S logo of Shazam, to get the song that you want to Shazam. So that's what you have to do. When you press and then you have like a song playing in the background and you want to get the title and all that and the artist, you just have to tap there and then it will just listen and then boom, it brings you the artist and all that. So thanks for watching. That's how you auto Shazam on Android. So you can also check out my other video on how to use Shazam in the background.